Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan, your English teacher. This time I have taken a topic of grammar and this is modals. So we know very well that modals are auxiliary verbs, you can say helping verbs that are used to express how the action has been done. So these modals are for giving permission, taking permission, willingness, and sometimes for habit, sometimes for polite request, sometimes to give command and duties, obligations, moral obligations. So possibilities and probabilities. So so many purposes are here. So let's start. A modal is type of auxiliary verb, as I told you, and modal verb always accompany the base form of another verb having semantic modals. So here modals are like shall, will, must, may, might, can, could, should, need, ought to, used to, and might, and need, and dare. So let's see how are they used. So here shall and will. So simply shall is used with I and we. लेकिन अगर हमको ये कमांड और प्रॉमिस और थ्रेट में यूज करना है तो हम इसको थर्ड पर्सन और सेकंड पर्सन के साथ भी यूज कर सकते हैं. और विल इज यूज्ड फॉर प्रॉमिस, डिटर्मिनेशन, अजम्पशन, प्रोबेबिलिटी. और अगर हमको थ्रेट के लिए यूज करना है, प्रॉमिस के लिए यूज करना है, तो इसको हम आई और वी के साथ भी यूज कर सकते हैं. और जनरली दीज डेज people are using will, mostly they use will. Now again next is should. So should किस लिए होता है? For duty, for advice or suggestion, moral obligation, expectation, and the things when we advise someone, when we suggest someone, we use should. As we should obey the laws, you should keep your promise, चिल्ड्रेन शुड ओबे दियर पेरेंट्स. सो शुड का यूज हम एडवाइस या सजेशन के लिए, ड्यूटी के लिए, ऑब्लिगेशन के लिए एंड एक्सपेक्टेशन के लिए भी करते हैं. एक्सपेक्टेशन का मतलब दैट इज अगर हम कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन कर रहे हैं, वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग समथिंग इन आवर फ्यूचर और फ्रॉम समवन, सो वी यूज शुड. नेक्स्ट इज हियर वुड. वुड इज यूज्ड टू क्रिएट conditional verb forms. Suppose if I say, if I were president, I would cut the expense of education. और इसके अलावा हम ये भी सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं, if you had worked hard, you could have won the match, or you could have won the first prize. Would is also used for polite request, as we say, would you like to have a coffee? Or would is used to express any action that is in the past. जैसे when I was kid, I would always go to the beach. उसके बाद अलावा expressing desire, polite request, and questions, opinion, hope, wish, and regret. So for these purposes we use this would. Next is here could. Could is used to show ability in past tense में, for polite request, for giving permission and possibility in past. See, past ability means ability in past. If I say I could swim across the river when I was young, it means it is ability in past tense में. और अगर मैं कहूँ कि for polite request, so we can say could you please pass me the salt. So it is for polite request and for ability in past. Might, use of might is for possibility in past, for less possibility, as it might rain, and less possibility in present time. So it might rain today, and when dissatisfaction is there, you might pay a little more attention and dissatisfaction to your appearance. इसका मतलब है कि यहाँ पे satisfaction नहीं है. You might pay a little more attention. So here it is expressing that the speaker is not satisfied. And use of must and ought to. So ought to is used for moral obligation and for necessity. That means जो हमें करना चाहिए. So ought to is used for that. Or must is also used for compulsion, for moral obligation or necessity. So where we are compulsory to do that or someone. In strong possibility, determination, and must is also used for refusal. You must not do that. So in this way we use must. Ought to is used for duty, for moral obligation. जैसे you ought to serve your motherland, you ought to take fatty food, you ought to take food before leaving. So it is that is moral obligation. Now used to and need. Used to हम use करते हैं for expressing past habit. जैसे I used to live here, मतलब when I was a child I used to live here. When I was a child I used to go to library and read the book. So in this way. Need, it is used in negative or affirmative in both sentences, like he need not go there, need I write to him. So it is for negative sentences and semi-negative also and affirmative also. So here dare. Dare is used for challenge, like he dare not take such a step and he doesn't dare to speak to me. So it is for expressing dare, expressing challenging someone. We use this. So it is about your models. Keep practice and then you will understand how to use it. Thank you and Jai Hind.